I changed the setting a little bit here because now we are going to start an actual singing. This exercise is a good way to activate the support and feel its power in practice. Imagine that you see someone on the other side of a noisy street and you want to draw his or her attention by going, "Hey! Hey!" Right? Or maybe someone stole something from you, your purse and your wallet, and you go, "Hey! Hey!" Right? It's powerful, it's loud, but it's not heavy. It's not like, you don't squeeze anything. It's really tonic and snappy. So we will try to transform it into an exercise, right? Squeeze your love handles here, like before, like I showed you, okay? And go, "Hey!" Right? Your turn. Did you feel the muscles go up and down quickly? "Hey!" Right? That's your support being activated. So we will make an exercise out of it and try to keep the same feeling, this loud, very resonating sound, but at the same time completely light and relaxed, right? Watch me do that, and then it will be your turn.